Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a sticker haul which will be filmed in multiple parts because I'm expecting a couple different sticker Happy Mails to come. So the first one came and this is from Crafty Nelly. She has an Etsy shop. We were on the Coffee Planner Mom PR team together, I think about 2 terms back. So I thought I would show you what I got from her shop. She does script stickers or functional stickers. Graham. And I love her handwriting. It's super fun and bouncy and cute and all that fun stuff. So I got the months of the year, and I like that you get 1 set, 2 set, 3 sets, because those of you who've watched me Frankenplan before know I always run out of these because I didn't plan it enough ahead, which is funny. It's kind of funny. Let me see if I can, you'll hear the doggos barking outside. The neighbors' dogs and my dogs like to talk to each other through the fence. They are not, my neighbors' dogs are not other dogs. They're only people dogs. So I hope that all makes sense. Pet owners understand what I just said. So, all right, so you get 3 of the months plus 4 of the year. And then I got the days of the week. And again, you get 1, 2, I can count. Wait, where's the other Saturday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I love it. It's great. I think it's about 4 when I count it. I do. It's good. I think I might be missing a Saturday or 2, but it could also be that it's positioned because the Sunday's on this side. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I might miss a couple Saturdays, but that's okay. I don't care. They're cute. And then I got the functional, I believe this is called the functional script stickers. Because I need a lot of the this week's to-dos, today's priorities. Don't forget, I mean, I know when I'm working, but I think I might use these and these for when I'm doing power hours. Planning out when I'm spending time on my Pink Zebra business or spending time on my professional development stuff. So those kinds of things. And then she also had this really cute freebie. Let's see if I can bring it up a little bit closer. That says, planner friends make the best friends. And ain't that true? That is something I've learned this past year and a half, is that I love my planner friends. Our next set of Happy Mail is from Coffee Planner Mom. So I think what I'm going to do is start with the new kit, and then I'll show you what I got in my bag. So she did throw in, I am not a PR girl anymore or for this term with Coffee Planner Mom, but she had an extra of my freebie from the last time, so she threw it in. What? Makes me feel good because I like to save one as a memory keeping thing, and then I can use one. I like that. I did get Beth's freebie. So her code is Beth15 for 15% off. And I picked this one because I can always use more weekend stickers. And I have a plan for the flowers. So when I saw her freebie, I was like, excellent. I also got the $25 freebie. And I always say I need more stickers that say, someone come get me because I'm a mess. I need a whole sheet of those stickers. So fun times. Here is her new kit. I know you could see it off to the side, but it's called Soft. And I really feel like these colors are Coffee Planner Mom. It is almost like her branded kit, maybe. I don't know, just the colorings that she uses on her website and things like that. But I like it. I love this kind of smoky sunset type feel there. So yeah, you get 9 decorative boxes, and with all of these, you can put them any direction you want. which is really fun. And then you get some quarter boxes down here and a little bit of deco at the top. Then you get your functional boxes and some deco. And then these are your checklists, your Monday through Sunday boxes. Ooh, I'm all over the place. Your check boxes, your daily headers, and some bullet points, and some more deco up here. I like that she kind of got this, like, it's fall without being fall. I hope that makes sense. It's fall without being fall. I know in her video when she was showing off this kit, she was thinking September, and I totally feel that. I totally feel September from this. Weekend, more deco. These are the scripts that always come with every kit, as well as these kind of sidebar bar headers. I'll read them. This week, meal plan. Next week, don't forget, birthday, important, dinners, appointment, tell Tuesday, chores, trash night, payday. Okay, you got some deco going on, and then you have surround yourself with things you love. We are all broken, that's how the light gets in. That's an Ernest Hemingway quote. All we have is now. Have a soft heart in a cruel world, and deep breath. I could have deep breath also in every colorway. And just a whole sheet of it. Like a whole sheet that has deep breath in every colorway. Just saying. So that is the new kit that is in her shop. And then I also was able to grab an Oops bag. Now her Oops bags are things that might, you know, have a slight cut issue or an ink issue, but they're still usable. In fact, a lot of times when I try new shops, and I know, and you know, those of you who've been on my channel, that Coffee Planner Mom is not a new shop to me, but if I'm trying a new sticker shop, a lot of times I will go with their Oops bag first, because I feel like I can get a vibe of what their style is really easily from their Oops bag. I don't know what just happened there, but I'm trying to fix it. Let's see. Hey, all right. So here's what I got. I got some more minimalistic bullet points. And from what I could tell on these, I feel like the Oopses were mainly like, the cut was just like slightly off, like, and that was it. I can work with that. Some edit scripts. The top three here, you'll see like a little bit of like maybe the ink was running out, but again, I'm still going to use them. Does not matter to me. The full box section of the greenery kit. As well as some deco. This is really pretty. I like using this with lots of different kits, like mixing and matching. And the functional boxes from the greenery kit, also eucalyptus. Can I have all of the eucalyptus? Thank you. And then 2 pages from the Passover kit. And I love the colors of this, and I love how she worked. This was with like a collaboration with one of the PR girls, and I think it just came out beautiful. Here is the script area of the Passover kit. And then we all know how much I love Americana, like the Americana kit, like the colors. So I'm excited because we've got the full boxes and the functional boxes. And then I did message Brittany on this next page because I had just used all of my habit trackers, and magically the pastel ones were in here, and I went, it's an Oops bag miracle. So habit trackers in pastel, and then black square boxes. I mean, who can't use these? I don't know anyone. So that is it for Coffee Planner Mom Happy Mail. So my next piece of Happy Mail came a little bit later, but it was from the Planner Girls United sale. And I bought it. The shop that I purchased from is Sammy Lynn Planning. And it's been a while since I've purchased from her shop. So I was very excited to go back and kind of see what she had. So the first thing we're going to look at is what I purchased. I purchased part of a kit. I believe it's called Boho Fall. I'll look it up and put it in the description. I cannot remember off the top of my head what it was called. And then we'll look at I got one of the freebie packs that came with it. Now I purchased, so there's actually 4 pages to this kit, but I purchased just 2. I purchased the a la carte, and I just love the kind of like turquoise and laciness, and it's just a different take on fall. So you have 8 full boxes, and I should mention this is her tall vertical kit, because I always notice that when I just buy a vertical kit, they're sized for like the Erin Condren planners. And I thought, well, let's see what happens if I get the tall. Let's see if it fits Happy Planner maybe a little more snugly. Snugly. Anyway, so you get 8 full boxes. And I believe this is called page A if you're looking at her kits on Etsy. And then I got the kind of functional boxes, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. 6 checklists and some bullets. Now there's more pages. You could get, I think her full kit has 8 pages, 6 or 8. So, but I just wanted these 2 to play with and mess around with. So that's what I got from Sammy Lynn Planning. Now with that, I got her freebie for the sale. It has a full box flamingo, has a very pretty like watercolory weekend banner, happy mail, a bow box, flags, and a paperclip. Super cute. And then because it is a like collaborative sale, you get freebies from a ton of other shops. So I didn't realize that they were having a theme. I just wanted to purchase from Sammy Lynn Planning, and it just happened to be during the sale. I wasn't like actively looking for the sale. So I apologize if I cannot say these shops correctly, but we've got, let's see, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more there. Hopefully that's helpful. Oh, and I'm sorry. I don't move the camera that much. I'm sorry. So, and like I said, this is from their July sale. Sammy Lynn Planning's processing window's a little bit different, so just FYI. I'm going to say it's Constance, but I could be wrong on that, so I apologize. So this was her freebie. It's super fun. I like the bullet point beach balls. And then Hello Today is like a rose gold vinyl, and it's from Clips and More Shop. Right there. I'll leave that so that you guys can see it. The next freebie are these gold boxes from Emery Hill. And then Libby and Lou Sticker Co. I love all of the different coffee mugs. And I like how some of them are seasonal. Not some of them, most of them are seasonal. Next is Katie Makes Stickers. And then Crafts by Polly. And then Planning in Blue Jeans. I think you guys can see their info there. I love the Zoom sticker. And then the last freebie is actually oh no, the crown fell off. I've already looked at this, so I'll have to put the crown back on, but it's actually a planner charm. Oh, did it break? Oh, that's sad face. Let's see, I'll have to see if I can fix it. But the crown, the little pink crown, I'll move it down here so you guys can see it, was attached to the paper clip like that. It's super cute. Let me see. Look at me doing all the technical stuff. I don't like zooming in. And this is from Dazzling Designs by Nichelle Davis. I'll leave her card right there. Hopefully you can see it all. So that is my Happy Mail from Sammy Lynn Planning and the PGU sale that I didn't know I was participating in until I went to go purchase from her. My next piece of Happy Mail is not stickers. Ooh, I should zoom back out. Move the camera. All right, so this one is actually my Color Street Happy Mail. I was a host for one of my friends who does Color Street. She's a Color Street stylist. And so I thought I would show you what I got from her in my hostess package. Now, much like other consultants, I'm sure she does her hostess rewards. You know, she adds some special things for her hostess that maybe other consultants don't do, and other consultants add things. So FYI, but I'll leave a link to her. I'll leave her Color Street link in the description if you are a Color Street enthusiast. So for my party, I ended up getting four nail strip kits for like $12 in the end, once we figured out all the rewards. So I got the mermaid clear overlay. I mean, I guess you could do it. Yeah, it's called Mermaid You Look. Mermaid You Look. But I got it because I thought it would look really pretty over some of the other colors that I purchased. So that's the overlay. And then this one is It Takes Tucson. And it's glittery and ombre and just beautiful. And again, couldn't you just see the mermaid stuff with that? Just saying. Next is Himalaya Salt, or Himalayan Salt. And I like this because it's just a nice, simple pink. You notice I've been having, this one's actually a different one. I think it's called Charleston Blush. But I like having like a nice, easygoing, solid every now and then. But again, the overlay would still work with this. It would look a lot of fun. And then the last one I got was, is it Cotton Candy? Yes, Cotton Candy Swirl. And again, with the mermaid overlay, the train's here. It would look fabulous. So those were the strips I got. And then she added to my package, I can't remember what these are called. I think they're called twofers, or I don't know. But it's, this one is Coral Bay. And I like this because it gives you a chance to like mix and match some things. This one is Long Time No See. Tokyo Lights. I think there's one more. There was one more, unless I lost it. No. And then Home Sweet Home. Right there, nice and blingy, lots of fun blingy shades. And then she also added in, which was really sweet, a face mask, nice little pampery thing, and emery board, and then 2 of the cuticle sticks. So I'll be ready to like mani it up with all of the things. So it took me a while, but I finally got all of my most recent Happy Mail in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. And make sure you check out Sammy Lynn Planning on Etsy, Coffee Planner Mom, www.coffeeplannermom.com, and Crafty Nelly on Etsy. And then my Color Street girl, Caitlin, I'll put all of the links in the description below, and I'll catch you all in the next one.